Hey, it's David again. Congrats on making it through the course. And before you start writing, I wanted to encourage you with something, and it's also just a little bit of a warning. But if you run into any problems while you're writing, or you get stuck, or you can't answer one of the 5 steps, don't freak out and don't beat yourself up. Okay, this is the warning, and this is also the encouragement. This happens to everyone. This is just part of the writing process. And honestly, this is why we created Script Sauce. Having a formula like this helps you get unstuck when you run into those roadblocks. The other thing to keep in mind is that writing alone can be very difficult. Most TV shows are written with like a bunch of people in a room sitting around bouncing ideas off each other. So a huge thing that we have at Hypekick is that if there's a writing issue or a script is running into one of those roadblocks, we get together, work it out, and as a team, we can find a solution. We created this course to be a Kickstarter for you to get you going, to show you how to do it, but we didn't want to just leave you there. If you need help with the 5 steps, if you need help, figuring out what's your audience's problem, if you need help with anything, let us know. We're here for you. Schedule a call, click on that button below.